Thank you, Luca. Every day here at the university, thousands of students are furthering their knowledge with the help of different technologies, such as virtual reality. I spoke to Rachel Homewood, a fashion and textile senior lecturer, to see just how VR has been used to improve her students' learning. Could you tell me more about visualization technology you use in your department?
So we're sort of introducing this technology. We've bought and invested in the Google Tilt Brush and the HTC Vive. So they've started to sort of draw in this virtual environment. You can change your environment that you're drawing in. You can bring images into that particular environment. So you can walk around this space in which you're sort of creating and sort of developing your ideas in. So we've sort of started to introduce it, and I want to build upon that in terms of how students can drape in the virtual environment, create textiles in the virtual environment, create their mood boards in that virtual environment. So I can physically, literally look at what they're developing and how they're creating and thinking about their design ideas and design concepts in the virtual way.
How can this benefit your students' work?
It will have, I think, a positive impact on the way they're developing their ideas, because they're becoming less precious about how they are drawing and physically sort of creating their imagery through the virtual environment. So I think in terms of a creative process, I think it'll have an enormous impact on sort of like the development process and how students are going to sort of use this process in a virtual environment and eventually in an augmented environment as well.
With VR, technologies evolving constantly. The sky's the limit. Back to Luca and Ryan in the studio.